friends. So I have installed the FreeBSD14.0 with KDE Plasma 5.2.27.11 with the X11 window manager on my physical laptop, which is an Intel Pentium 3rd generation graphics controller. Okay, I just want to show what are the things we have to do after installing the FreeBSD on your laptop to get the desktop Plasma desktop, okay, environment. Here you can see I have installed on my physical laptop. Okay, 1 minute. Intel Pentium 3rd generation graphics controller. Okay, you can get more info with by the AMD CPU fetch. So you can see it is Intel Pentium A1018. Okay, let me show one more thing. System settings. About the system, you can see this is my laptop. HP246 will be my laptop. Okay, and you can see Plasma version, framework version and everything. Okay, so I have successfully installed on my laptop. Okay, what are the things we have to do? We can check now. Okay, let me share my text file. Okay, so I have downloaded the FreeBSD 14.0 on the FreeBSD website. So I have installed on my laptop too. So those steps not covered here, but everyone knows, right, how to install. So I'm continuing with the package installation. I mean desktop environment, installation only. I am covering this video. Okay, so after installation, I logged in as root, and I have did pkg update and pkg upgrade. Okay, I think in FreeBSD 14.0 there is no pkg tool installed, so it will get automatically installed when we do this command. Okay, and then we have to install the necessary package for the desktop. Okay, pkg install the bash shell and the vim nano editor. These are the nano editor and this is a shell, and the xorg and KDE5 sddm and X86 video intel. These four are major important one, which I mean X86 video intel, STDM, KDE5 and xorg. These are the important things for the desktop environment. We have to install that one. Okay, rest all the desktop components for the desktop user experience. Okay, so those commands we can ignore. If need, you can install too. Okay, after installation we have to add these entries in the rc.conf file: dbus enable, alt enable, mouse d enable and sddm enable. Sddm enable is important one, which enables the display manager when the system get rebooted. Okay, which means the display manager will get activated at the time of boot. Okay, then we have to add one more entry, which is very important one. Go to the cd/root directory, create one file called vim.xinitrc and add this entry. Okay, this will executed when the system get rebooted. So then only that display manager KDE Plasma environment will comes as login window. Okay, and save this. And I have one more user called HELA008. So this is a normal account, so safer side I have copied the xinitrc file to the HELA008 account home directory, and I have changed the permission to. I will show the content now. 1 minute. You can see now it is in. Okay, similarly I'm jumping to root. You can see dot xinitrc and cat. Both entries will be same, but this entry should be should be there in the root, and then only it will get executed and the login manager will comes. Okay. That's it, you have to reboot. Okay, and that's it, and you have to reboot. When the GUI login appears after rebooting, when the GUI login appears, just choose Plasma X11 instead of the VLAN. There will be a desktop session and it's stating the VLAN by the default, but you have to choose the X11 because we are installing the X11 window manager, not the VLAN. If you choose VLAN, that will not work. Better you can choose Plasma X11 window manager. Okay, that's it, and let me show my rc.conf entry. Cat etc rc. As I stated previously, the D was enable, halt enable comes as default, mouse enable, but this entry I have added. Okay, this entry should be there, then only it will get, the window manager will get activated at the time of boot. Okay, I want to show one more thing. If you are using latest Intel and AMD processor, you can install the DRM mode drivers. It will give the latest driver option for the latest Intel and AMD processor. Then after you have to add these entries in the rc.conf file. Okay, but I am okay with X86 video Intel, so I haven't added this entry here. You can see X86 video Intel delivers what I need, so I not need to install this one. But in case if X86 video Intel not deliver the graphics means, then you can go by the DRM mode drivers. Okay, then add these entries and just reboot the server, reboot the system. The login, the desktop environment will comes 100%. Okay, one more entry we have to add in the FS tab. This is a proc device entry. Okay, actually I have added already. Let me show here. Cat etc FS tab. Okay, this entry we have to add. Make sure to add, then reboot the server, the GUI will occurs and the desktop will comes as KDE Plasma desktop comes 100%. Okay, let me show my after came the login session, and you can log in by the local account or root account. I have the local account, right? That's how I have logged in by that one. You can see the account name. Okay, I have logged in successfully as well. Let me show my desktop components. Okay, go for the settings. All options are working fine without any issues. Okay, let me show my themes. Okay, you can see I am okay with the breeze dark because I like to use dark edition themes, so I am sticking with the dark edition. If need, you can use lightweight and white background based themes. Okay, this one to light, though oxygen too. These will deliver the brightness, much more brightness compared to the dark edition. Okay, and you can choose splash screen option and font management, fonts, font and font size, colors and plasma style, and everything you can customize from here. Okay, let me show my desktop set options here. These are my favorite things, favorite software, so I make it as favorite things: VLC and simple screen recorder, console, stellarium, parole video player, kdenlive, flameshot, OBS studio, and Google Chrome and Firefox. All are comes as latest version, so no need to worry. Okay, you can see the Chromium version will be 123, right, and the Firefox will be the 125. cool, right? And what I have installed additionally, you can see in the utilities column you can see system utilities, calculator, such kind of things. In system you can see system operation, file manager, dolphin file manager, and everything you can see. And the system setting, you can see settings like this settings. You can see this kind of settings here in the settings manager. And go to the office, you can see office tools, multimedia tools such as kdenlive video editor, OBS studio, like that. Okay. And internet, you can see Google Chrome, Falcon browser, and those kind of stuffs. Chromium and firefox and kind of things. In graphics we can see graphics tools, kdenlive video editor, and krita, gimp, document viewer, PDF document viewer, ocular, those kind of stuffs. In games you can see lots of puzzle games we can see, Pac-Man, those kind of stuff. Education, you can see education tools, stellarium, those kind of tools. And development, you can see development tools, theme manager, and those kind of stuff we can see. Chromium means it is extensions, Google Keep, those kind of things we can install. Okay. I have installed the Verity also, so that's why it's changing the wallpaper every 15 minutes. Okay. Going for the next one. Going for another one. Going to another one. Okay, it's good. Those kind of tools I have installed successfully. I will add these entries in the descriptions column, so you guys can follow the same to get the KDE Plasma installed on your FreeBSD14.0. Okay. Let me show the Dolphin Manager entry. Okay, Dolphin Manager also working. Okay, all are perfectly correct and same. So the bottom line is KDE Plasma 5.27.11 with the X11 window manager is working fine on the FreeBSD 14.0. So you guys can follow the same and install the FreeBSD on your laptop. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like and comment if this video is really helpful to you, and share this content there, share this video if it is really useful. Okay, thank you very much. I am stopping my video.